Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to draw a route in Google Maps. If you're planning a trip, creating a delivery route or visualizing a journey, drawing your route on Google Maps or My Maps lets you fully customize the path beyond auto directions. And here's how to do it manually. The first step we're going to do is using Google My Maps. And to do that, just go to Google My Maps. Let's look for Google My Maps. Here. After that, click on the website and click on create a new map here and click on create. Now after you do that, use the draw a line tool and add a driving route, biking route or walking route. Here, add a layer. You can also click to add points and draw your custom path. You can also adjust the route by dragging or adding waypoints and label your route if needed and save the map. Now with Google My Maps, you can draw step by step or freehand routes to fully customize your map. This is way more flexible than regular Google Maps when you need precision and control. Now if you want to do that in Google Maps, just go to maps.google.com and here you're gonna type the destination. You can look for a destination or you can choose it from here. Click on directions and then choose a starting point. For example, this is one. And just like that, Google Maps automatically draws the route for you. You can use different colors for the Google My Maps, or layers for different routes, and you can add notes or photos to keep the key points on the path. And also you can export your map to XML or GPX formats for GPS devices. And that's it for today's tutorial. If you liked this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave comments below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.